Hey guys, Toxic Trav here. I'm just going to do a quick video showing you guys how to install the Egan's Performance air filter on a Stihl 500i. I'll provide a link in the description to purchase this air filter. I've heard it's the better filter for the 500i, as the fines can get behind the stock filter. So I'll do a quick video showing you how to install it and oil the filter, as well as show you how to install the little O-ring it comes with. And yeah, let's get started. So the kit comes with the filter. It's a foam filter from Uni. It comes with a O-ring that goes around the knob here. I'll show you how to install that. And it comes with a 3D printed filter cage, just to keep the filter, shape while it's running. Without it, it might like suck in. So I think that's what that's for, at least. But anyway, how you start is just remove your stock filter cover by twisting this knob. And when you take this off, before your saw, spray this with compressed air. I've already cleaned it because you don't want any wood chips or fine dust to fall into the engine. So make sure you keep this clean. Then you just pull the stock filter off. Make sure there's nothing in here that will interfere with anything. And I'll show you how to put the O-ring on. You push these, you'll see these two tabs on the inside of this. You just push them in with your hand like this, and it'll pop right out. And then we take the O-ring and we put it around the outside of this thing like so. Make sure it's not twisted. Yep, so just like that. Here, I'll get a little closer for you. So it's on the knob like that, and then to put it back in, you just push it in and you're all set. So that's how you install the O-ring. And now let's show you how to do the filter. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to oil the filter. So it says it comes pre-oiled, but after I felt it, obviously without my gloves on, it doesn't feel, very oily. It feels a little dry. So I'm just going to give it a quick little shot of some of my Uni foam filter oil I have. There's also liquid oil you can use. This is a spray oil, but either one will work. The liquid oil you would just put in like a bag, and then work the filter in the bag to get the oil in, and then just knead it out to get it so it's not like sopping wet in oil. And then once it's like relatively, it's not dripping off, then you can put it around the shroud. So anyway, I'm just going to spray this a little bit. I mean, it's a little bit of oil on it, so I'm not going to douse it in it. So I'll just give it a quick little, and then a little bit on the inside. And now I just, they say not to twist the filter, so I'm just gonna knead it like this and fold it. It said to fold it like this. So yeah, this should be a lot better. It felt a little dry when I took it out. So yeah, that's a little better. Alright, so now once it's oiled, or if you did it the liquid way, once you get so it's not, dripping off of it, and then you put this cage on it. So you want to make sure the opening on the filter you put towards the opening on the cage here, otherwise you're going to restrict the opening. Not really, but you might. I imagine that's why he designed it that way. So you just stretch this filter over the cage here. It's a little hard with my oily gloves, but anyway, you get the idea. Get it fully seated. Make sure it's all the way on around the edge here. I want to make sure the lip is all the way around. Make sure the hole is free so you can attach it. And then you just take the filter. I don't think there's no up or down direction. You just place it like so. Make sure it's let's see, square, yeah. So it's like that. And then you take your stock cover here and you put it on like so. I heard sometimes you have to really push on it for the first couple times. Yeah, got stuck. Make sure this is all the way on. And then take that. Alright, so I guess you'll feel it click. It's hard to tell with the gloves on, but you do feel it click. You also can, if you tip the thing back, and it'll actually stick to it. And you'll see the thing, if you set it just right, it'll lock on. So it's on there now. I can't pull it off. So it just might not feel like the regular clasp like usual. But that's how you install the Egan Performance air filter. What I like about it is it keeps the stock cover. I'm not a big fan of the look of the Max Flow. But anyway, that's how you install the filter on the Stihl 500i. And thanks for watching.